Good morning children. Today we are going to learn a golden word and the concept of come and go. So let's start with the golden word. The golden word is thank you. If someone helps you, what should you say? You should say thank you. If your friends, relatives help you or give you something, what should you say? Thank you. So, keep a habit of saying thank you if someone helps you. Now, we are going to learn the concept of come and go. This is an angry bird. If I will ask angry bird to come here, the angry bird will move forward and come. And I will ask angry bird to go back. He will turn and move back. Go. Come, go. Come, go.